Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the coolant flange on an Audi A4. First, ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns. Gather all your tools, including a T30 Torx bit, a flathead screwdriver, and a drain pan. You will also need a new coolant flange, a fresh O-ring, and the correct type of coolant for your vehicle. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's get to removing the old flange. Begin by draining the coolant from your radiator into a clean drain pan. You might reuse it if it's fresh. Next, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the coolant temperature sensor. Using your T30 Torx bit, remove the two bolts holding the flange in place. Gently pry the old flange away from the engine block, being mindful of any remaining coolant. With the old flange removed, it's time for the new one. First, thoroughly clean the mating surface on the engine block to ensure a proper seal. Install the new O-ring onto your replacement coolant flange. Carefully position the new flange and secure it with the two T30 Torx bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specifications. Finally, reconnect the coolant temperature sensor and refill your system with the appropriate coolant. After refilling, start your engine with the heater on high to help bleed any trapped air from the cooling system. Keep a close eye on the coolant reservoir level and top it up as necessary until it stabilizes. Thoroughly inspect the new coolant flange connection for any signs of leaks. A proper bleed is crucial for preventing overheating. Also, remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.